Hello, this is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching Excel tutorial. Well, today we are going to talk about very important and famous method that how to separate full name in different columns, like first name in one column and last name in another column. But before starting the tutorial, I want you to subscribe MSK Entertainment Films for further videos. As you know that this function or this separating names into different columns is used most of the time in schools, universities, and sometimes in offices. So today we are going to learn how to separate names into first column and last name into the second column. So let's begin. First of all, you will select all of the names. After that, you will go to the Data tab. In the Data tab, you will click on Text to Column. In Text to Column, you will select Delimited. I always select Delimited option in this. After that, you will press Next. In the Next, you will see delimiters. As I've already selected space in it, the reason is that there is space between names. I want to separate the names with spaces. So I selected space. After that, you will click on Next, and here you will get the preview how your names will be displayed. Once you click Finish, the names will be separated. Let's click it. Here you go. The names are separated. So you can write last name in here and write first name in here. Let's change it to bold. Okay. Now we want to arrange them in ascending order with respect to first name or last name. For that, you will select the names. After that, you will click on Data tab. In the Data tab, you will click on Sort. In the Sort option, you will click on Sort by. Here you will select which option you want to select. Let's suppose I want to arrange them by first name. So we'll click on first name and press the OK button. And here you go, you can see the names are arranged in alphabetical order. So this is how you separate first and last name into different columns. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.